What's up, you guys? Welcome to another day of 31 Days of Halloween. Today's look is going to be this black and white New York type of look. It's a pretty simple tutorial. All you're gonna need is black, white, red, and you get to mix them all together. So,
alright, let's get started. Now this look is actually a recreation from my friend Angelica's Face Awards creation. I'll put her information in the info box down below. But to get this started, I'm just mapping out all of the different colors that we're going to be using in this look. It's a mix of white, black, and gray. There's a darker gray and a lighter gray in this makeup look. I'm going to be starting out with gray in this makeup look, filling in all of the empty space first. After we do the gray, we go into the second gray tone to fill in the rest of the gray areas. The next color I'm dipping into is black. Again, use your reference photo so you know which parts are black on this makeup look. The whole thing is really quite simple because it's kind of just a color by number. You see where the black needs to go, where the gray needs to go, and where the white needs to go, and from there you just do touch-ups. The makeup that I'm using is actually a water-activated paint from Mayron, so some of them will become a little sheer, especially on the white end, so I just put a few other layers to really saturate the color on my face. So now going in with the white, most of the left side of the face is going to be painted white, so that's kind of a really easy thing to do. Like I said earlier, you're going to have to put a few extra layers of this because the white can dry a bit sheer depending on what makeup product you are using. If any of you have seen those old paintings of Marilyn Monroe or Audrey Hepburn, in this painting style, it's a very monochromatic black, white, gray photo. So we have to put the illusion of shadows on their face. That's what the black is supposed to be, is a shadow. So anywhere that is a darker area or a shadow, we're going to put the black. And then where the light hits is more of the white colors. For the hair, I'm just going to be using a black hairspray. We got to get rid of all of that blonde. So once it's once it's sprayed completely black, then I'm going to go back in with white, the same white that we use, the water-activated white, and put some stripes in our hair to really flow with the rest of the makeup look. Our lips are the only pop of color here, so you're only going to need one color that is red. But remember that even though the lips are red, it still follows the same monochromatic rules for the rest of the painting. So we have to add a black shadow underneath the lip and inside the lip as well. Last step for this makeup look is pop on some mascara, and you're good to go.
Alright, you guys, this is the final look. If you're totally into it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Alright, you guys, see you later. Bye.